David Brown is a veteran of the Commonwealth Starfleet and senior flight instructor aboard Outpost number 32. He began his career as a sergeant in the Planetary Guard and rose through the ranks, serving in dozens of planetary operations, including skirmishes, deep reconnaissance, and rescue missions in the farthest corners of the galaxy. Eventually becoming chief pilot of a reconnaissance starship, Brown led high-risk missions where every maneuver meant the difference between survival and loss. He has been awarded the Order of Deep Space Exploration for his exceptional service. A man of immense life experience and natural mentorship, Brown has spent over 3 decades training young pilots, passing on not only flight expertise, but also the principles of discipline, resilience, and teamwork. 30 years ago, he took a young lieutenant named Marcus Kellen under his wing and guided him all the way to becoming commander of the entire expedition. To today's cadets, David Brown is a living legend. To the crew, he is one of the pillars upon which the station itself stands.
Welcome aboard, cadets. I'm David Brown, senior flight instructor here on Outpost number 32. I also serve as head of the station's academic board. Every course exam, final flight evaluation, and thesis project goes through me. I don't hand out passes and I don't believe in shortcuts. If you want to be a pilot, earn it. Over the years, I've flown ships through meteor storms, pulled crews out of volcanic traps, and once had to land a recon vessel manually on an asteroid spinning every 11 seconds. I made it back, and you will too, if you learn to listen, think, and avoid heroics when they're not needed. I remember a young pilot once thought he knew more than his instructor. During a training run, he pulled a roll against orders, trying to show off for the squad. 30 seconds later, we were in a flat spin over an ice trench on Trithian 4. Barely made it out. A week later, he came back, apologized, and 15 years after that, he became a squadron commander. These days, he trains rookies and always starts with, "First, you listen, then you fly." Remember this, cadets, the stars don't forgive arrogance. There's no place here for ego or theatrics, but if you give your best, if you respect the ship, your crew, and each other, you'll go farther than you ever imagined. And maybe, one day someone will look at you and say, "Thank you, you saved my life." So don't study out of fear, study out of respect, for yourself and for the crew that will one day rely on you. And remember, piloting isn't just about skill. It's about character.